Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the 110 scale ready to drift car by HPI Racing. It is the ae86. It's got all that included. Let's see here, I'll try to do this with one hand. Box probably beat me up. Oh, I see. There is the doohickey tape thing. Yeah, whatever. There we go. There it is. Fold that up. This is a well-made box. Do I have to tear it out? Yeah, I think I have to tear it out. Yeah, put the camera down for a second. Ah, there it is. Alrighty, got it out of the package. Put it in here. Get all your instructions. Got the handy dandy receiver. Wonder if there's a clue. Put in our notebook. Whatever. Got this box. Let's see what's in it. Open this. There we go. Alrighty. Got all the little parts. There's the battery. Nice packaging. And got the, I believe that's the wall charger. Yep. So, that is a really nice controller. Sorry about that. I like the HPI Racing. That is real nice. I believe the bad part about this is that it takes 8 AA batteries. There's the antenna. Alright, I'm going to take a break and I'll come back when everything's set up. There it is. She's a beauty. I guess I have to get the different style with the flip-up headlights. Oh well.